In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Instagram data. Whether you're trying to switch phones or just trying to clean up your account and you want to back up your data or just export your data from Instagram, let me show you how it is done. Instagram does allow you to download a copy of your information, which would include the photos or videos or messages inside of your Instagram account. The way that you do it is tap on the three lines on the top right, and then you'll need to head over to Account Center. Inside of Account Center, if you scroll down, you'll see the section called Your Information and Permissions. Just head over to this, and then you'll see the option called Export Your Information. It says right here you can export a copy of your information to an external service or export it to your device. The information includes content and info that you shared, your activity, and info that we collect. So just tap on the Create Export option. Now either you can export it to an external service, which may be these options that are available, but for easy purposes you can just select your device option. The data or the information will be sent through your email, so make sure your email is correct and then tap on Start Export. Before you are able to export, make sure you type in your password. And there you go, your information now is being prepared and will be exported or will be sent to you via your email address that is connected to your account. So that was the process of using or backing up your Instagram data. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.